I have 3 treats. We will see which Buffy you pick up. 1, 2, 3. I will see. Huh? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Like potato. And wow. And last one is the yummy one. Nice that. See. Thank you. Thank you. Bob. Thank you. Thank you first. Give me Paul. P. Thank you. One more. Good boy. Good boy.